common view is that what we're seeing today is the flip side of the Warren Court era, when the court was severely criticized for its so-called liberal activism. That bred a new generation of conservative activists who were often criticized as activists squared. Judicial activism, of course, is somewhat in the eye of the beholder. It's usually described as a willingness to strike down duly enacted laws, particularly federal laws. Until 1991, the Supreme Court struck down, on average, about one federal statute every 2 years. But from 1994 to 2005, the court struck down some 64 federal laws. And here's the interesting thing. The justices least likely to invalidate federal statutes were the so-called liberals, while the most likely to strike down federal laws were, in this batting order, Justice Clarence Thomas, followed by Justice Anthony Kennedy, followed by Justice Antonin Scalia, followed by Chief Justice Rehnquist. In short, Kennedy and the court's most conservative members. I've not run the numbers for the last 2 terms, but I would bet that it's been more pronounced now that Chief Justice Roberts has replaced Chief Justice Rehnquist and that Justice Alito has replaced Justice O'Connor. That, of course, is not to say that justices aren't supposed to strike down laws that are unconstitutional. I'm simply making an observation about the frequency of doing so, in short, a trend.